we're told that the distance between the points A, 3 minus 5, 2, and B, 7 minus 1, k, is 6. We want to find the possible values of k. Let's consider the vector AB. So we're going from A to B. If we look at the x-coordinates, for A it's 3 and for B it's 7. We can see that we need to go along by 4. The calculation that gives us this is 7 minus 3. Looking at the y-coordinate, we have minus 5 and minus 1. Once again, we'd need to go along by 4. The calculation that gives us this is minus 1, take away minus 5. It follows for the z-coordinate that we have k minus 2. So this gives us 4, 4, and k minus 2. In order to explain this, consider that we have the point A, an origin, and the point B. OA is the vector A, and OB is the vector B. If we want to go from A to B, we go backwards along A, and then forwards along B. So this is B minus A. So to work out AB, we take the coordinates of B and subtract from them the coordinates of A. So we know for the modulus of AB, we calculate the square root of 4 squared plus 4 squared plus k minus 2 squared. And this gives us 6, since we're told the distance from A to B is 6. Therefore 16 plus 16 plus k minus 2 squared must be equal to 36. 32 plus k minus 2 squared equals 36. So k minus 2 all squared must be equal to 4. This gives us that k minus 2 is plus or minus root 2. If it's the plus 2, we would get k is equal to 2 plus 2, which is 4. And if it's the minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So we have our two possible values of k.